Hi everyone, welcome to Melissa Catherine. If you're new here, glad you found me, and if you're a returning viewer, then thank you for coming back. Today I've got a really fun video because guess what? We're going to be crimping Diva from Ellen Wille. I know a lot of you have probably seen the advertisement that came out when they were promoting this collection, the Changes collection, and they had one of these crimped. And I know for myself and for a lot of the women in my group, we've all thought about crimping it or crimping another one, but just haven't done it yet. So here we go. We've got one to crimp. I'm going to show you how I did it. I've left a few little pieces to do, and the front pieces that are still curly, I'm going to show you how to do that, and then I will try her on for you. The one I have on right now is Diva in Candy Blonde Rooted. She is a gorgeous color, and this is how she comes out of the box with cute curls at the bottom. I have to give a great big shout out to TL Wigs. It's your one-stop wig shop, and the Facebook group is really great. It is TL Wigs Support, Inspiration, and Education, and it's a great group to be in. That's where we can order right now. The website is currently being made and it is almost done, so we all look forward to that. The customer service is unmatched, and so if you would like to purchase any wig or just want to ask questions, or if you just want to join a great group and, you know, hang out, and you can lurk if you want. Just don't be weird about it. And we have a lot going on in there, and I'm sure you will enjoy it. So here is my tobacco rooted Diva, and I crimped part of her, so this video isn't like 30 minutes long. It might end up being like that anyways, because I talk a lot. But I did most of it. I'm going to show you how to do some of it, and then the front parts. So, are we ready to get crimping? My dog's down here, Astro. So I wanted to do the theme to Jaws, like na 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 na, but I might have gotten in trouble. So get the wig damp, and we're going to section her off into sections, and make sure you have some little hair clips. Oh no, she fell down. Come on, Diva. Cooperate. Alright, so we have this little section we're going to do. It doesn't have to be exact or anything because we're going to be crimping it. So we're just going to get this little part damp. And make sure there's no knots in it. And we're going to start at the top and just push down. Go down a little bit. This one has a little handle right here you can put your hand on. I thought I would show you this part because this is something worth talking about. The hairline on Diva is amazing. The color with these little money shots right here in the front, and then you cannot even see. Well, you can't because it's not even in the camera. But it does have a great hairline, so I think I'm going to crimp this piece and then crimp the blonde. Let's see what happens. We're getting closer to one side being done. I also wanted to note that on the front part right here, I did the, I'm stuck on my wig stand. I did these pieces right here going back because I did not want them crimped straight down right in my face. That would be pretty annoying. Yeah, see, even she says no. So now this front piece, I'm going to pick up and do it just like this back too. So we'll have pieces that can hang down like that. And we were crimping. All right, got the first complete side crimped. And I pulled these little pieces back to crimp them. So they go up like that. And now you can see the lace front. Ooh, look at that. All right, let me finish the other side. I took her head off so you can see. There is the top. Here's the front. And I crimped her all the way through. Every single layer is crimped. Look at that. How pretty. I think the ends look a little dry, like with this style. So I think once it dries, which Ellen Wille recommends letting it dry and then you can put it on. I think I'm going to put some Simply Be Stylin' on it and just lightly run my fingers through it when it's dry before I put it on, and I will show you that as soon as she is dry. She is done, guys. Check that out. Gorgeous. All right, I'm putting her on. Look how she turned out. Oh my. She's gorgeous. What do you guys think? Look at all that. You could poof her out and get like a ton of volume if you wanted. Look at that. It's like a tiger. Just kidding. There is the side. You can see the whole thing right there. And then let me turn to the back. Look at that. Crimpity crimp crimp. And there's this side. See if you're there. Back to the front. Oh my. Look at that. How much fun. I love it. I hope you guys do too. And just remember, check out the description box below and I will have a link to the Facebook group for TL Wigs and a link for the crimper that I had from Amazon. And if you have any questions or anything, please feel free to ask. Please come join our Facebook group and mention that you saw Melissa's video on the crimp. You don't have to say all that, but you know. Hope to see you there and talk to you there. And leave me a little note down below and let me know if you are ready to crimp one of your wigs. How about Diva? Yeah, she likes it. Took it behind my ear. Can't see what it looks like. There's the monitor. There's that. What do I have right here? Ooh, if I had a, you know, what would look really good with this is a bright neon headband. But you could just do, I can't even see what I'm doing. Sorry, guys. Oh, if I could pull that up. And you can change the part anywhere. So, I'm just trying to get the blonde all together, but I can't really see what I'm doing. So, there's a, oh my God. There we go with like a nice 80s look for you. Y'all remember that? Okay, hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Now that I said that, you know, looking at it, I want to go somewhere and see people's reactions. I'll get my fiance to film their reactions and I'll post an updated video on that. I haven't seen anyone with their hair crimped. Have you? Okay, bye for real this time.